Did you know that potted aloe vera tends to produce more pups compared with those planted in the ground? Welcome to the aloe vera garden. This pot is bottomless, so technically, this aloe vera plant is planted directly in the ground. This is Aloe vera barbadensis. Most of the time, this variety doesn't produce many pups compared with the chinensis variety. Since it was planted here, I have removed pups it produced only a few times. The last time was more than 8 months ago. My other plants in the pot never cease to produce pups, not just a few, but a lot of pups. The reason behind the pups production of potted aloe vera plants is that the plant's roots are confined to a limited space. The restricted environment encourages the plant to produce offshoots as its survival mechanism. Potted plants often experience more stress. This stress can trigger pup production as the plant seeks to ensure its survival by producing more plants. Based on my experience, stressed aloe vera plants produce more pups than usual. This plant, recently recovered from a minor case of root rot, is producing a large number of pups while it heals. I hope you learned something from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching.